The only way to become fluent in English is a stop translating in your head before speaking. When you translate every sentence, then your mind goes blank, words do not come to your mind, and you feel nervous. So, my friends, congratulations. In today's video, I am going to share with you 5 incredible tips that will help you immensely to think directly in English. Tip number 1 is describe objects around you only in English. For example, in my hand there is a remote controller. Okay, when I want to pause the video, when I want to start the video, I use it. Okay, so this is black in color, it is very tiny. My friends, whatever you see around you, for example, you are sitting in your room right now, then what you can do, just describe your pen, your fan, your chairs, your bed, your mirror, your dressing table, whatever you want, you can just describe, but only one condition is there, only in English. Okay, don't use your mother tongue. For example, if you want to say chair, then you also know how to say it in your mother tongue, but why would you say? Because now you are learning how to think in English. Okay, so avoid using your mother tongue for 21 days. Second tip is describe your mood and emotions only in English. I am not telling you to speak English for 30 minutes or 20 minutes. Just use 5 to 10 sentences a day, that would be enough for you. For example, let me show you how to do it. Okay, I came to jungle today's morning and I did meditation for a while, and now I feel so relaxed, so calm. But sometime while recording video, I feel like, oh my god, with whom I am talking to, I feel little bit strange, but still I keep uploading videos so that learners can get benefited of my videos. So that's how you can explain. I express my emotions, and in my emotions there was nothing like a script. Whatever came to my mind, I just spoke, right? In the same way you can do it. Third tip is comment in English. Whenever you watch any videos on YouTube, or when you scroll Instagram, meanwhile you can just comment on that particular video only in English. Why I am telling you to comment? Because when you comment, then you get 10 likes, 20 likes, 50 likes. You feel like, oh my god, my comment in English and everybody likes my comment. So you feel motivated and you feel inspired, and then you will feel connected that yes, whatever I have learned in English, that is really working. So my friends, whenever you scroll YouTube, Instagram, any social media applications, then don't only watch. Okay, also you can comment in that particular video. So this is the third tip. Fourth tip is use ChatGPT in order to think directly in English. But the question is how to do it. Okay, let me show you. When you go to bed, then don't just scroll random videos on YouTube and Instagram. It will waste your time. So open ChatGPT and keep it in a speaker and close your eyes calmly, and after that start speaking only in English about your day. It means recap your day. Whatever you have done throughout your day, you should express it only in English with ChatGPT. By doing this technique, you will be amazed seeing some amazing results in just 21 days. Believe me. So every day you should do it before sleeping. And when you will dream, then believe me, you will dream only in English. I definitely did it before. So this is the technique you should follow. The final tip is input flooding. What does it mean? It means consume 80 to 90% of your content only in English, not in your mother tongue. Whether it's from social media, from people, wherever you go, use earbuds or earphone and try to listen English songs, English stories, English podcasts, whatever you listen only in English, whatever you watch that should be in English. Okay, then you will feel like now I am bound to think in English. This is the ultimate truth, to think directly in English. I did all these techniques before, then I am telling you.